¿De cuál es el que se prende? Del frente, ¿cierto? Se prende el de frente y el de arriba hacia aquí.
Yo nunca he visto que ellos eran tan
Tan
familiares.
amigable, sí.
Seguro los tienen desde chiquitos, ¿no? ¿Cómo se dejan tocar? Uno va a tocar los ojos y no se deja. Ah, pues ellos lo buscan a él.
Sí, porque él es el que les da la comida.
Él es el que les da la comida.
Listen, they're going to see my whole pool. How many guys are pushing him so hard? They're all going to be yelling at him. Yeah, they're going to pass. They're going to see the whole pack.
¿Dónde está el perro inmenso que ese año? Este barraco. ¿Cómo
O sea que hoy vamos a correr por los patos y por el perro.
Ah,
You're taking your camera in and using it for evidence against other kids, basically. My camera? Yeah, the kid was pretty much in his rights, you know, but he pams him into the frickin' I go home, he can put his head down.
Well, that's where
So the kid's going, and the kid's so anyway, the thing came up.
You ready? Okay, I want to, first of all, I'll do my best to talk
take a seat.
because every time you talk, they think you're talking to them. They like to answer back. I want to thank you guys for being here today. You have no idea how much this helps us out because all year long we have a lot of different things that go on. Not too long ago, we rescued with the Pilots and Paws program, and we had a bunch of dogs that were set to be euthanized in a gas chamber up in North Carolina. They still use gas chambers. And we brought back about 17 of the dogs, and unfortunately 14 of them had a very serious, basically a deadly disease called parvo. And it was night and day, literally 24/7 for several weeks. A bunch of the dogs spent weeks in the emergency clinic. It cost us over $4,000. We actually were able to save 11 of the 14. And it's because of things like this that allow us to be able to go the little extra mile. Not like you guys going the extra 62 miles, but the extra mile and give us a longer reach and more capabilities of taking in animals that need us. And there's always a need. So what we want, we appreciate it. Can't wait. When you guys get back, this will be all set up. We'll be in full bloom. We'll have a great day today. Please feel free to stay and hang out and drink some beer and have a couple of sandwiches and such. And see what all's going on. Like I said, we got a lot going on today. So enjoy your